Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure your model supports an ambient or edge lighting effect around the notch. Open Settings and enable Always-On Display or Ambient Display so the system can show notifications when locked. Once done, grant the notifications permission to the display service or the third-party app you'll use, because without access, it cannot trigger the light. Follow prompts to allow overlays and battery exceptions, so the indicator will appear reliably in the background. Next, install a notch-aware LED or edge lighting app that supports your phone's notch shape. Open the app and configure the notch overlay. Set the notch dimensions to match your screen, choose colors and pulse patterns, and decide duration and which apps trigger the light. Make sure to enable notification access and overlay permissions so the app can draw over the lock screen. Also exclude the app from battery optimization so it stays active. Otherwise, the system may kill the process and stop notification. Finally, test the setup by sending sample notifications from the apps you filtered. Observe the notch indicator, then fine-tune position, brightness, color, and duration until it aligns perfectly. If it doesn't appear, immediately recheck notification access, overlay permission, and battery optimization exclusion. Those are the most common blockers. If problems persist, restart the device to reset overlay services, and as a last resort, reinstall the app. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable aggressive RAM cleaners while testing so the service isn't killed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.